Hi, my best friend. Welcome to Psycho Says. Become a chick magnet. How to make any girl chase you. What's up, guys? If you're tired of always being the one who does the chasing and want to become the guy that all the girls are after, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you my top tips and tricks for making any girl chase you and be the one who's always on your mind. So sit back, take notes, and get ready to become a chick magnet. You are my good best friend. Support this channel to develop further by pressing the like button, subscribing, good comments and sharing if this video is useful. Have you subscribed? If so, let's continue. 1. Work on yourself. Hit the gym, go for a run, or try a new workout routine to get in shape. Experiment with different hairstyles, outfits, and grooming techniques to find a look that suits you. Focus on building your confidence by setting goals, practicing self-care, and reminding yourself of your strengths. 2. Show confidence. Make eye contact when you talk to her to show that you're interested and confident. Speak with a clear and confident tone, without being too aggressive or arrogant. Don't be afraid to take the lead and suggest activities or date ideas. 3. Be a little mysterious. Share some information about yourself, but keep some things a mystery to keep her intrigued. Playfully tease her or give her a little challenge to keep things interesting. Share stories or experiences that show your depth and complexity. 4. Be a challenge. Don't be easy to win over, as girls love a good chase. Set boundaries and stick to them, while still being respectful and kind. Let her work for your attention and affection. 5. Show genuine interest. Ask questions about her passions, hobbies, and interests to show that you care about her as a person. Listen actively to her answers, and respond thoughtfully to show that you're engaged in the conversation. Remember details she's shared and reference them in future conversations to show you've been paying attention. 6. Be playful. Laugh, joke, and have fun with her to create positive experiences and build a strong connection. Be spontaneous and suggest unexpected activities or surprises to keep things exciting. Use playful teasing to keep things light and flirtatious. 7. Be a good listener. Let her speak and express herself, without interrupting or dismissing her thoughts and feelings. Ask follow-up questions to show that you're engaged in the conversation and interested in what she has to say. Reflect back what she said to show that you're actively listening and understanding her. 8. Be authentic. Be true to yourself and your personality, instead of trying to be someone you're not. Don't pretend to like things just to impress her. Instead, find common interests that you can genuinely bond over. Embrace your quirks and unique traits, as they're what make you stand out and interesting. 9. Be confident but humble. Own your strengths and accomplishments, but don't brag or be too full of yourself. Show humility and vulnerability by sharing your struggles and challenges, as it makes you more relatable and human. Show appreciation for her qualities and strengths, without putting yourself down in comparison. 10. Be patient. Don't rush into things or put pressure on her to make a decision. Take things at a comfortable pace, and let the relationship develop naturally. Respect her boundaries and needs, and let her come to you when she's ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share.